Okay guys, today we're fitting a living in a bubble shade for the Maxx Fan in the van. Stay tuned, you'll love one. If you've got a Maxx Fan, you'll want one of these. This is an awesome idea. Oh, they're absolutely brilliant. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's block that sun from the Maxx Fan entrance. And you can block the air from the vent for air conditioning. Okay, got a solution for light coming through here. Here it is. Here's a shade from living in a bubble. I'm going to do the install right now. It's going to go up here with magnets behind that flange. These are some of the goodies that come with the pack. So that's how I've set this up. There's the tag. I've got the black on the other side, I'm not sure. First step, remove the flange from the Maxx Fan. Use your Phillips head screwdriver, and there's only 4 screws. The flange is off. There it is there. Next step, attach the magnets. Now watch carefully. There's a little trick to this. Here we have the magnets. Come with it. And they hold this up. So they're going to go up under the flange for the Maxx Fan. So you need to match these magnet positions, they're underneath there, with the magnet positions on the flange. So without getting too technical, a north pole will attract a south pole on a magnet. So you need to figure that out by flipping the magnet over in the position where you have the actual shade laid out to see where they attract, and then stick it down that side. So you need the magnets attracting each other, not pushing each other away. That's the big tip with this, the big take-home message. Push away from each other. You need them have the way they attract to each other. Now when you have them in place and you know that they're going to stick hard, just put a little bit of sticky tape on just to keep them in position, because when you actually screw the flange back up, the actual pressure there is going to hold them too. So just do that so that you don't lose your positions, and then get ready for the next step. Now it's time to lift the flange with the shade on board to check it actually connects securely. Magnets are under the flange. Now we're ready to connect the living in a bubble shade. So now I've worked out this little tag I'm going to have on my right, so that way I get the poles of the actual magnets held up in the same spot. So just take your time, don't rush it. Probably take you about 15 minutes if you're real fiddly like me. Okay, to pull it down, I'm having this tag this side. Just pull it down. There it is, you can use your Maxx Fan. Final step, scan the QR code and it'll take you directly to Living in a Bubble, and this item is listed there. This is not a sponsored video, I just love the product. That's delivered. The actual product cost $54 plus delivery. Don't forget to hit the like button. Now it costs you nothing to subscribe, with 180 plus videos on everything van life, from self builds to accessories to advents in technology that impact on van life, park ups, finds, the weight of your van. I could go on forever. It's all on Stay Awesome Van Life. Subscribe.